Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Gulab Jamun is a sweet dish that is relished by all of us. There are different ways of making Gulab Jamun, and today I will be making the bread Gulab Jamun. So let's begin. For making Gulab Jamun, first we will prepare the sugar syrup. For this I have taken 1 cup of sugar and 3/4 cup of water. The quantity of water should be less than the sugar. Now mix everything together and heat it and let this come to a boil. So here our sugar syrup is boiling. Now put the flame on low and let it simmer for 5 to 7 minutes. So here I am adding 2 cardamom pods. If you want, you can add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. So after 5 minutes our sugar syrup is ready. Now cover this and keep it aside, and let's move to the preparation of making gulab jamun balls. So for making gulab jamun balls, here I have taken the white bread. If you want, you can even use the brown bread. Now we have to cut the corners of the bread. So with the help of a knife, just cut all the corners. So here I have cut all the brown edges, and likewise we will cut the rest of the breads. So here I have prepared the bread, and now we don't have to throw these brown edges. We can make the breadcrumbs out of this. So just toast it slightly and grind this to a grinding jar. So now we will put our all bread to the grinding jar. So here I am just crushing this roughly. Now we have to make a fine powder of this. So close the lid and grind this. And here you can see a fine powder is done. It's ready. Now transfer this to a bowl, and we have to make a smooth dough. For making a dough, here I am taking a full fat milk. The milk should be at room temperature. So this milk is full of cream. At this stage, if you want, you can add 2 teaspoons of milk powder and then add the milk and make a dough. But here I am skipping the milk powder. So here I have added milk, and now I am making a smooth dough. Add milk gradually. So here I am taking 2 spoons of milk. Add the milk according to your need, and if possible, add milk with the help of spoon. And so here our smooth and soft dough is ready. It's done. Now cover this and let this sit for 5 minutes. Here I have used 5 to 7 spoons of milk. By the time the dough is resting, we will heat the oil for frying our gulab jamuns. So by the time the oil is heating, we will prepare the gulab jamun balls. So here I am kneading the dough again. Now apply oil or ghee to the palms and take the small portion from the dough and roll it like a ball. And here you can see our gulab jamun balls are ready. Make sure there should not be any crack, otherwise it can split. So likewise I am preparing the another one. So just take a small portion and roll it like a tennis ball. So here the another one is done, and in the same manner we will prepare the rest of the balls. So our gulab jamun balls are ready. Now we will fry them. So check the oil. The oil should be medium hot. It should not be very hot or very little hot. It should be medium. Now add the gulab jamuns to the oil and let this fry for 5 to 7 minutes, or they turn golden from all around. So drizzle some oil on the top of the gulab jamun and flip them over. We have to fry the gulab jamuns when they are golden from all the sides. So fry them on low medium flame. This will take hardly 5 to 7 minutes. and here you can see they have started to change their color. A nice golden color it has come. After 7 minutes our gulab jamuns are fried well. It is a nice beautiful golden color from all around. Now we will take them out, strain the excess oil, and we will put it in the sugar syrup. Mix the gulab jamuns with the sugar syrup and let the syrup come to a boil. So here a boil has come. Now switch off the flame and cover the pan and let this sit for 2 hours. The gulab jamuns are made with bread, so this will take little time to absorb the sugar syrup. After 2 hours you can see our gulab jamuns are double in their size. They have soaked the sugar syrup and they are looking very well. So here we have plated the gulab jamuns and you can see they are looking very yummy. So do try this recipe and comment me, and if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon.